Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a heavy, flat stainless steel pan so heat spreads evenly. That matters for sticking. Once chosen, scrub and dry the surface. Any residue invites food to cling. Now preheat on medium for 2 to 3 minutes until the pan is uniformly hot but not smoking. Next, add 1 tablespoon oil and let it thin and shimmer across the surface. This creates the first protective layer. Make sure the oil moves freely before introducing food. Now control is everything. Bring oil to shimmering, then increase briefly to medium-high for a quick sear, but back off for thicker cuts so the interior cooks through. Pat proteins and vegetables dry. Moisture breaks the oil barrier. Place items gently with space between them. Overcrowding drops temperature and causes sticking. Once you hear steady sizzle, leave food alone. Stainless releases naturally when a proper crust forms. If unsure, test a corner. If it resists, give it more. Finish cooking by lowering heat so interiors finish without burning exteriors, then transfer food to rest for 3 to 5 minutes. Resting preserves juices. To clean and capture flavor, pour 1/4 cup hot stock or wine into the still warm pan. The liquid lifts the fond and makes an easy sauce. If something sticks, don't force it. Add a splash of hot liquid, let it simmer for a minute, then use a thin spatula to gently pry. This usually frees stuck bits without scraping the steel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.